shit. My bad. Stop recording. I'm recording that shit one time. We got mad at Dustin and shit though. Darty's made that shit. Look at little mini Roper over there running with the females though. Oh, Erica walked off. Oh shit. Look at big old Nos. Look at big Nos. Yeah, look at big Nos. What's up over there? Trying to look cool. Taylor next to me. Say what's up.
What's that?
Darnice, come here. Darnice, slide this way. Slide this way. Slide this way. Slide this way. Look at Darnice sliding this way. You gotta come sit on this side so you can watch the recording. You gotta come sit on this side so you can watch the recording. Darnice crawling across the floor like a weird ass.
You need to start wearing shoes with ankles.
These motherfuckers quit here.
I was doing this. I didn't wear no shoes to school for this.
They wasn't ready for this shit. I wasn't either for it. Yeah, I was. He said that Monday. Maddie, come sit over here and watch this recording, dog. Look at Maddie. Tired as fuck. Look at that shit.
That's gonna be so embarrassing. You putting it on Facebook?
That's a good idea.
You want to see some ass?
She want to see some cash.
$50 coming. She's so tired.
Maddie spitting to the trash can. Look at these. Oh, 4 girls and 1 dude over there. Running with the female. Nicolette getting tired as fuck though. Look at that shit.
Nicolette runs so funny.
She do though.
Go, Nicolette!
Dude, Libby run funny as fuck though.
That white girl, she run like
Yes.
she cocky as fuck.
Dude, this girl got the fucking cockiest run. Look at this girl doing sit-ups one time. Look at this girl doing sit-ups one more time. Oh shit.
Go, Raven, go! Run faster!
Don't get tired.
Dude, Raven's still over there dogging shit though.
Run, Raven!
Oh, she fucked up. She fucked up.
No, she gotta beat her and that girl quick. Beat her in action.
6 more, bitch. I would never seen
I
it.
should have passed the gym before they even thought of this.
Darty, say what's up.
Hey.
Oh, she said, hey, now what's up? That counts.
Oh my god, I wish I would have had
I hope that got your
That
first
used to really be easy as fuck to pass. Like,
This shit's still easy
all
as
you
fuck
had to do
though.
was like, we didn't have a midterm for it. We had. All you had to do was really get dressed and participate.
I know. That's what I had last year and I fucked up. I should have just got
Roper,
dressed.
the motivational speaker.
If I would have just got dressed every day, I would have got on my dress. And he took off like 2 points for nothing.
Oh, he just lied. He said 2 more. They did 1, 2. Now that's 2, 3.
They go to A. Run, Raven, run!
Raven out for the count. Look at this motherfucker walking through the screen.
That was the end. You was right
Hey,
there.
that's a girl doing the sit-ups and shit though. Look at that shit.
Why would they all quit at the same damn time?
All right.